Guys, welcome back to the Adventures of Topher. Today we have caught ourselves a snake. It looks to be a garter snake. I am not too sure. Okay guys, we got our snake off the hook. Time to get her going. Guys, you missed it. I was on the phone with my grandma, or my aunt. Shout out Ashley. Getting me the bass, baby. You already know what it is. Ooh. Come on. Oh, he swam right into my net. What's going on there? Don't be swimming into my net. Nice bass, guys. Beautiful, beautiful bass. Get her off and on going, baby. Woo! Hey guys, so we are going to be keeping this beautiful brown. Beautiful, beautiful brown trout. As you guys can see, it's got the hook jaw, indicates that it is a male.